I got CHB behind me back there. What's going on there? Well, good morning, everybody. First day back in a while. And, well, that comes with some complications. Last night, get everything loaded up, double checking stuff, got a flat tire. First thing, we're gonna get this thing down to the shop. Unfortunately, she's loaded it. I didn't want to take it back off there, swap out a tire. So we'll make it through today with this one tire. Oh, by the way, did I tell you what rig we're towing the Mechalek with? First time towing the mech with the old 5500. I'll tell you why in a second. What in the heck was that? Where'd that come from? It better be water. You there. Normally, these tires, when they're around 100, 110, you kick them, they don't move. But this one, you hear how dead it sounds? Fairly certain this is the tire I put a plug in a while back, trying to get a little bit more life out of it. And I did that. It's been months. I need to order some new ones or go pick up my new 40K from the dealer. This bad weather, it's just been sitting there. Haven't had a chance to make it over the summit. Glad we did a pre-trip. And I got this one little light I noticed when I was backing up. What's your problem, fella? Those things never go out. I wonder what the deal is there. Huh? Well, that one's not the end of the world. It's got a buddy right next to it. Let's get on the road. Glad we started this project a little bit early. We're leaving on time still. Trying to avoid traffic, and we're going down into a canyon up the other side, and it doesn't see sunshine this time of year. If it's freezing here, it'll be frozen there for a while. So let's get on the road. All right, guys, it has been a while since I've towed anything somewhat heavy with this truck. Mechalek weighs 22-ish thousand pounds. With the other trailer, that's a good little load. I hauled a Mechalek before. That's been quite a few years. You just need to wake this a little bit bigger of a turbo up before the EGTs wake up. EGTs always wake up real quick. They're early risers. That turbo is kind of a snoozer. When he comes around, they get together at the party. They meet in the middle. It's kind of happy. But I wanted to use this truck this morning because the road that we're heading up is kind of a tricky bit, and I don't know how that new truck's going to handle it because it's pretty damn steep. But if I can maintain third gear with this truck going up it, then the other one I know can do it in second gear, which they're pretty much same. Transmission gear ratios and all that. Because I pull this hill at 30 is what the other one pulls it at. But I'm in third gear, it would be at second. I just leave it in second. Because there's no point in shifting up just to get a little bit and then lose a lot. So just let her eat. But I know this truck can pull that hill, and if third gear doesn't do it, I got second gear. So that's the one big downfall with the new truck, is the gear ratio is right there in the middle. It's great at highway, or pretty good at highway. It's pretty dang good at taking off. But if you were to go 410s, you're great highway and terrible taking off. Or if you go 488s, you're great taking off and terrible highway. So I got that one right in the middle, and thus far it works great. But I'll haul the chipper up tomorrow, which is quite a bit lighter than this, with the new truck. But Yo 08 needs to get his legs stretched a little bit. You know, it got the stickers that we weren't supposed to get. But here we are, rocking and rolling. Whew. It's good to be back towing. It definitely feels like a little bit different driving this truck. That new one doesn't care that there's weight back there, and I bet you this Tesla's gonna pass us right here. I'll bet you $5. Oh, I don't know. If they do it, they're gonna head on a dump truck. Holy crap. Yep. Give me my $5. Sorry, dump truck. that Tesla had to pass the other 2 cars behind me to get to where he was. Doing the speed limit too, so whatever. I got CHB behind me back there. I wonder what's going on there. Heck of a day to be driving this truck, I'll tell you what. See if I find a spot to pull over. Huh. It's not the DOT guy, so that's something. What the heck? He just let me by. Alright. I don't even know if you guys got that on film, but I pulled into a church parking lot. I'm thankful for that. Good thing I didn't pound that Red Bull after that coffee. We'd been really sauced up. I thought for sure he was gonna ask me about something. I don't know what happened to all those cars that were behind me. Did they pull over for him too or something? That guy went that way right after that Tesla passed us, and then he doubled back. Is he after the Tesla? I doubt it. They always get away with that stuff. I am so confused right now. Why is he right there? What the heck is going on? He's not doing anything good for the traffic flow right now. You guys right there. I'm good, I can get second out of this. That new truck, like this, is a nice relaxed second gear pull right here. I just keep her at 2500, that's right there in the beginning of the power band, and I'm not too worried about much anything. If I had 488s in that new truck, I think I could be hitting in the same note, locked up second gear, but it's just not quite enough, and not enough power since a D-rate cab chassis to get it up on the power and to keep. Kind of funny, this road right here, first time I ever drove a semi truck was on this road, was hauling the small excavator and the lamb track, and I believe it was out of the road, yeah, right here on the right. Yep, came up out of that nasty little spot. It was a short trailer rig, both machines barely fit on it. Then when I got my CDL, that was on my permit for the CDL, and when I got my CDL, I bought the gooseneck, I hauled the lamb track and the little excavator out here behind my 3500, and wait till you guys see this hill. It was I think it was third gear, pretty much just screaming to the moon. Going up this hill right here. This is actually quite a bit of a hill that I'm on right now. You just can't really tell. If it has trouble holding back in third gear with both brakes on, it's steep. Yeah, be careful in these corners like this. See, they got that house right there. That's on a cliff right there. Got that pack brake, engine brake on top of the exhaust brake. I have flipped that switch before when I was in a light corner, and the rear end will break loose. I did put a little extra tongue weight, i.e. the machine's a little bit farther forward than I normally put it, just so the dual's got a little bit more traction, a little bit more weight on them, goes a long ways. Oh, we got a dump truck catching us back there. He's empty. We're at the quarry down here, right at the gravel bar. Wait till you see this hill. It's just kind of funny. The location. Oh, don't you tell me I got to stop on this hill. Road work ahead. Oh, that's going to be a 4-low start. I guarantee it. Hopefully they haven't. Oh man, that's going to make it extra exciting. Just leave her in third gear, 2500 RPM, and see how she handles the mech leg. Oh, don't you tell me I got to stop on this hill. Dear Heavenly Father, it might be a second gear. Yep, we're gonna have to go to second. This is. Yep. Oh, you shitting me? Right on the worst part. Come on, boys, let me go. Can you get me going? Oh, thank you. Oh, we're spinning. That is the worst spot to stage or a roadblock. What are they working on? Power lines? Remember how I said I wanted the extra weight on the duals? Steep enough right there is spinning. That's definitely a second gear territory. When I'm coming down it, I've hauled the old Prime down this and the 080 many a times, and I put it in second gear coming down this hill. You guys are gonna just have to ride back there with me at 9 miles an hour for a while, because there's no way I'm gonna try and grab second gear. That's how you pop stuff. I would have 100% just put it in 4 low, this truck or the other truck. This old boy's moving, going out of the way for me a little bit. 2,800 RPM at 9 mile an hour first gear. This is first day back. Really glad I didn't pound that Red Bull. And 30,000 pounds up this. I got a nice enough to move over. We'll get up on the top here and grab a gear. We're not even all the way out of the canyon yet. That was something. Really glad that old boy let me go through there. It's nice to see when somebody reads the situation, and I'm not trying to be, you know, privileged and stuff, but it just makes life so much easier if they just look at the situation and go, oh man, this probably don't want to stop. And make it happen so I can just pass right on through. Lucky no other cars were coming too. Well, anyway, I'm glad that that wasn't the first time that I towed that hill, like I was just talking to you guys about. Back when I towed with the 04 up that hill and as a single wheel, that was exciting, but it was not that exciting. Anyway, let's get to the chop finally. Check out this compound, huh? I mean, that's one way to use it. Take the roof off the barn, put it on the fence. It's kind of neat though. This is where that stick shift comes in real nice. Second gear, 9 mile an hour, exhaust brake on. The exhaust brake will pull it down with the new truck to about 10, but it won't start at 10. You got to be up there and then like you're easing down to a stop sign or something like that. The stick shift, man, I don't know. Hypothetically, if I found a 488 4th gen G56 truck, that would be a sweet, you know, in the hills kind of truck. Alrighty folks, I'm just going to end this video here. We made it safe and sound. Man, what a mix of emotions kind of situation that was. Definitely thought I was getting pulled over, literally pulled over for the cop. He passed me. I don't know what that situation is. Maybe I'll hear about it before I post this video and I'll let you know. And the road's actually a lot better down in here than I was expecting. Did you see the video back not this winter, but last winter, where I was plowing snow? That was this place, and the place where the chipper broke down. They're repeat customer, to say the least. But that's where we're at now. I'm gonna take some little trees down the top of the property. But man, that roadblock too, forgot about that. The 08 still got it. let's get this old girl unloaded. Oh, by the way, my welds are still holding on without a problem. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about this whole video. That was a lot going on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.